Are you looking for a Halloween fog machine that truly delivers, not just on performance but on real value, durability, and design excellence? You've come to the right place. You are watching Review the Best Buy, where we bring you in-depth, unbiased, and honest reviews to help you make smarter purchase decisions every time. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best Halloween fog machine you can get right now, carefully tested and compared based on build quality, key features, performance, ease of use, and genuine pros and cons. Whether you're watching from anywhere around the world, our goal is simple: to guide you toward the right choice and help you invest your money wisely. And trust me, you don't want to miss the number one pick. It might just change your mind. All the latest prices and official links are listed below in the description box. Now sit back, relax, and let's dive straight into the review, only here on Review the Best Buy. Kicking off our list at number 5, we have Dashsafe Store Fog Machine with Disco Ball Lights Wireless Remote Control, suitable for indoor, wedding, parties, Halloween, and DJ stage. Sleek, smart, and surprisingly powerful, perfect for anyone looking for real value and reliability. The Dashsafe Store Fog Machine with Disco Ball Lights offers a fun and easy way to add atmosphere to any indoor event, and it suits weddings parties, Halloween nights, and small DJ stages where you want a lively mood without much setup. This compact machine creates a steady fog flow that makes lights look brighter and visuals more exciting, and the built-in disco ball adds moving colors that fill the room with a playful glow. The wireless remote control keeps things simple because you can activate the fog from across the room, which helps when you are hosting or preparing a scene. One clear advantage is how quickly the machine warms up and starts working, which makes it useful for short events or last-minute setups. Another benefit is its lightweight design, which makes it easy to carry, store, and move between locations. A downside is that the fog output may feel limited for very large rooms, and the fluid tank might need refills more often if you run it for long periods. Another point to note is that the disco ball works best in dim or dark spaces, so the effect may be softer in bright environments. Even with these points, the Dashsafe fog machine stands out as a simple, fun, and affordable way to boost the energy of any gathering without needing special skills. It works well for beginners and casual users who want a smooth and colorful effect with little effort. For full details and today's best offer, just click the link in the description. Moving up the list, number 4 is where design meets innovation. Coming in at number 4, we have Colbor CF5 Portable Fog Machine with magnetic RGB color light battery powered handheld with remote control fogger for party stage effects. Known for its cutting-edge features and solid performance that users around the world are loving. The Colbor CF5 Portable Fog Machine with magnetic RGB color light is a compact and easy tool that brings bright party effects to indoor events, parties, and small stage setups while keeping the experience simple for beginners and casual users. It runs on a built-in battery, which makes it easy to carry around and use in places where you do not want wires, and it creates a smooth fog flow that helps lights stand out and adds depth to the atmosphere. The magnetic RGB light on the front adds soft or bright color effects that work well for parties, photo shoots, or creative stage moments, and the handheld design makes it convenient to aim the fog exactly where you want it. The included remote control allows you to use the fog machine from across the room, which makes it more flexible when you are busy hosting or managing the event. One benefit is its fast warm-up time, which helps when you want to start the effect without long waits, and another strong point is the solid build, which feels comfortable and reliable in your hand. A downside is that the fog output may feel small for very large rooms, and the battery life may shorten if you use the light and fog at the same time for long sessions. It may also need frequent fluid refills during long events, but that is common for compact foggers. Even with these points, it offers a fun, modern, and portable option for users who want simple, colorful, and creative effects. For full details and today's best offer, just click the link in the description. Alright, things are getting really exciting now. Our number 3 pick is one that's loved by thousands worldwide. At number 3, ULANZI FILMOG Ace Portable Fog Machine 40-watt battery-powered handheld with remote control fogger for photography. It delivers premium performance, outstanding comfort, and a look that never goes out of style. The ULANZI FILMOG Ace Portable Fog Machine is a compact and lightweight fogger designed for creators who want smooth fog effects for photography, small events, and creative shoots while keeping the setup simple and easy to use. It runs on a built-in battery which makes it convenient for outdoor sessions and quick indoor setups, and the 40-watt power gives a steady fog output that works well for portraits, product shots, or short video clips. The handheld design feels comfortable when you hold it, and the included remote control lets you trigger the fog from a distance, which helps when you need both hands free to adjust lights or guide your subject. The warm-up time is short, so you can start your shoot without long delays, and the build quality feels solid enough for regular use. One strong point is its clean and controlled fog flow, which makes it easy to enhance light beams and add a soft atmosphere without crowding the scene, and another benefit is its small size, which fits well in a camera bag. A drawback is that the fog output may feel limited for large rooms or stage events, and the battery may run low during longer shoots if you use it continuously. It may also need frequent fluid refills during back-to-back sessions, but that is common for portable foggers. Even with these points, it offers a practical and creative tool for photographers and content creators who want simple, smooth, and portable fog effects without heavy gear. For full details and today's best offer, just click the link in the description. We're almost at the top, and this next one is a runner-up at number 2, VIRFUN 400-watt fog machine with wireless and wired remote control for parties, Halloween, wedding, and stage effect. Built with precision and innovation, it's a powerhouse that professionals absolutely trust. The VIRFUN 400-watt fog machine is a simple and reliable choice for parties, Halloween events, weddings, and small stage setups, and it delivers steady fog output that helps lights stand out and creates a smooth atmosphere for fun and creative moments. It warms up quickly, which makes it easy to start your event without long waiting, and the wireless and wired remote control options give you flexibility whether you want to operate it from across the room or keep it close for direct control. The compact design makes it easy to place on a table or stage corner, and it works well for indoor gatherings where you want a soft layer of fog that enhances the mood without overwhelming the space. One strong benefit is the smooth fog flow, which helps create clean visual effects for lights, photos, and theme decorations, and another plus is the ease of use, which makes it beginner-friendly even for people who have never used a fog machine before. A drawback is that the fog output may feel small for very large venues, and it may need frequent fluid refills during long events, especially if you run it continuously. The machine can also get warm during extended use, so giving it short breaks can help maintain performance. Even with these points, it offers a practical and affordable option for users who want steady fog effects for seasonal parties and small indoor stages without complicated setup. For full details and today's best offer, just click the link in the description. And here it is, the moment you've been waiting for. The absolute best of the best. At number 1, Agtech Smoke Machine, fog machine with 13 colorful LED lights effect, 2 wireless remote controls, perfect for wedding. This one redefines what performance really means. Unmatched build quality, user satisfaction, and a reputation that speaks louder than words. The Agtech Smoke Machine brings a bright mix of 13 colorful light effects and smooth fog output that helps weddings, parties, and home celebrations feel warm, inviting, and visually striking, and it gives users a simple way to add atmosphere without complicated setup. It warms up fast, and the 2 wireless remote controls make it easy to start fog or change lighting from anywhere in the room, which adds comfort during busy moments, and the compact build lets you place it on a small table or stage area with little effort. The lights blend well with the fog, which creates clean-looking effects for photos, videos, and themed decorations, and the machine works smoothly for people who want an easy option that still looks impressive. A strong benefit is the steady fog flow, which makes small and medium indoor spaces feel more lively, and another plus is how simple it is to use even for beginners. A drawback is that the output may feel limited for very large halls, and it may need more frequent fluid refills during longer events, and the unit can warm up during extended use, which means short breaks help keep it running well. Even with these points, it remains a practical choice for weddings, holidays, and creative home events where soft fog and colorful lighting can enhance the mood in a gentle and enjoyable way. For full details and today's best offer, just click the link in the description. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best products you can check out right now. I hope this video helps you get a clearer idea of which option truly delivers the best value for your needs and budget. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more top 5 reviews, detailed comparisons, and practical buying guides every single week. And of course, turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our upcoming videos featuring the latest and most trusted products across tech, home, and lifestyle. All the official links and updated prices are available in the description box below, so make sure to check them out if you're ready to upgrade your next purchase. Thanks a lot for watching. Review the Best Buy, and I'll see you in the next one where we help you buy smart and live better.